So this problem has a little bit of a different twist to it that we haven't seen, and IB doesn't do this all the time as much as geometry did. They're playing with the units here. So if you look at this, it's 1850 meters, and then it's 2.5 kilometers. And we're expected to be able to convert metric units for IB because the rest of the world uses metric units except us and England and a little bit more. So I always remembered this thing, K, H, D, U, and then little d, C, and M. And basically wherever you are, you just move decimal places to go to the other one. So I got to convert one of these two. Um, it doesn't really say what I have to do this in. It would normally say, but I just kind of left it open. And then here, I always convert bigger things to smaller things because that way I don't get a lot of decimals. So I'm going to convert the kilometers to meters. Meters is just a unit, which is the U. So I'm here at kilometers, so I would have to go 1, 2, 3 places to the right. That's why I like that little thing right there, because I can just do it like that. So 2.5, 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So that converts to that. All right. So that's converting it for me. Now it also says that we got this depth and stuff. So what's happening here that you may not realize is that there's a right angle right there. So this can be done sine, cosine, tangent, or it can be done, actually no, it has to be done sine, cosine, tangent, because if we're finding an angle and we don't have, the reason I put this in here is because we don't have things that are across from each other. So we got green, we don't know that one, so we can't really use that. We got blue, and then we've got yellow. Now, I just sort of lied because we actually can find that green side by doing Pythagorean theorem. All right, and if I do Pythagorean theorem, I can get this side and I'll know this number, and then I'll be able to do law of sines to find the angle that I want. All right, that's kind of a long process, and so I don't think that any of you would really do that. You could, all right, it would work perfectly fine. But I think probably at this point we'd sit there and go, I'm not doing that. Angle of elevation is right here. That means this is the opposite. This is the hypotenuse. This is the adjacent. This is going to be a tangent problem. So tan of x, because I don't know, it means I'm doing second tan, is opposite over adjacent. Make sure you use someone with the same units. Now, if you converted the meters to, I'm talking and not paying attention to what I'm doing. If you converted the meters to kilometers, you'll get the exact same answer. It won't matter. So I'm going to second tan this. Calculator, second tan 1850 divided by 2500. So I get 36.501. So x equals 36.501. Again, there's no what to round to. So I'm just going right there for now. I am going to put the 0 because it is our rule right now is hundredths place, so I'm going to put the 0 there. Hopefully this helped out. We're going to move into law of cosines next, and then we'll start kind of mixing these together and show you what some actual IB problems look like all the way through.